know this is the one y'all have been waiting for. As you can see, the new whip is behind me. And I'm gonna get right into the video. You guys aren't gonna have to skip ahead, none of that stuff. Basically, I'm gonna just come right out and show you what I got. And we're gonna go from there. So check out the new whip, woo! Yes, this is a 2018 BMW 540i M Sport. I know. You guys are probably like, oh my goodness, he is not in a Mercedes anymore. He went to the dark side, he's back in a Beamer. And yeah, I know, I'm back in a Beamer. I needed the space, and you know, I'm really excited about the B58. Realistically, there's so much options and performance and different things that you can do with this platform. So basically, yeah, here it is. Let me know what you guys think about it. You know, I freaking love it. And let me get into some more details about the car. And then we'll go over a little bit more about, maybe I'll do a little POV of driving it too. But yeah, this is it. This is what I've been waiting to show you guys. I've been having it for a little while now. So yeah, I'm freaking pumped. I know a lot of you guys be upset, but I am pumped. I'm telling you, this thing is fun. Yes, I know it's only what, like 330 horsepower and 300 something plus torque, 8-speed. I think it's a ZF Trans, and but this B58, this 3-liter single turbo is no joke. And get ready to have some fun following along with me with this build. It's gonna be exciting, and you already know, B already has the F10 M5. Well, you know, 528, but you know, it's a F10 M5 rep. And now we got the G30 5 Series. So heck yeah. So yeah, I love this car, and one of my favorite things about it is just getting inside of it and how comfortable it is, how up to date it is. Just come on, come check this out. Look at that. Woohoo, the Sadie with the fatty. But yeah, look at that. I need to get some gas. But she is up to date. Apple CarPlay. You can move your finger like that and it raises the volume. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, this is the cockpit. Sheesh. I had to turn Bluetooth off so I could do a little driving. But yeah, she's fun, she's quick. Let's see. Okay, I already know I'm low on gas. But what's really cool is, like, so I can go through Eco and it changes all the displays. And then Comfort. And then my favorite, which is Sport, turns red. You know, then we can turn traction off and slap it over. And Sport Trends. This thing's sick. You know, you got navigation. Everything is touchscreen. So you can move around it. And then one of my favorite options is my vehicle. And then you're going to go to technology in action, sport display, and there you go. So as we're driving, you get the horsepower and pound-feet of torque. In sport mode, you get the little M on it too. And it has paddle shifters. They're pretty responsive, but put it in first. I gotta turn traction control off. Let me do that. Right there, should pop up, inactive. Okay, let me see how I can do this with one hand and shifting. But here we go. I'll do a little launch. Oh. Woo! God damn! Sorry on the late shift, that thing was spinning like crazy. Damn! And that's bone stock. This thing be making you giggle. Like, I'm telling you, like, this, for a little 6-cylinder, this thing is nasty, dude. There we go. Huh. Woo! Little skirt. Little skirt. No, this thing's nasty, dude. And the best part about it is this is a damn family car. So this is for you dads out there, you know. You gotta have a dad car, but you still like sports cars. Hey, this thing's skitting it right now, dude. And the handling, crazy, dude. It's crazy. Gee, I didn't even expect that. No lie. We was probably left some tire marks back over there. So yes, sir. This is it. She's here. She's home. Please let me know what you guys think. I really want to know. I'm really excited about it. Personally, yes, I know. Aesthetically, probably not the greatest right now. It needs definitely an old grandma the way it looks. Got no tint, you know, got stock wheels, stock height, you know, got the grill is, you know, it opens and stuff like that when it turns on because it doesn't look aggressive. But trust me, you guys know how I am. I got big plans for this car, this B58. And yeah, so we're gonna start small, doing things, you know, little by little. So definitely let me know what you guys want me to do first, though. I definitely think I should either do tint or even just paint the wheels black till I can get some new ones. Also, BMW switched the lug pattern to a Mercedes, and now they are currently 5x112. So maybe I might throw some Benz wheels on here. Who knows? Let me think. So this one I have it's fully loaded. I got the 360 camera, all the parking sensors. I got you can see right here in the middle, got the radar, it drives itself, it's pretty tight. Got all the ambient. I gotta show you guys at night in a different video. The interior looks insane. Like, I love it. But yeah, this is what I needed. I have 3 seats in the back now. As you guys know, I just got married and I'm attempting to try to have another baby. So the Mercedes just wasn't cutting it with the 2 seats in the back, and I needed something more family oriented, but I could still have fun. And this is the way to go, man. I'm getting great gas mileage, and I can make extreme amount of power for very cheap. It's very low maintenance, and B58 is very reliable, under 700 horsepower. Just gotta say it. So yes, in the future we are going to be getting a trans tune. We're going to be doing an MHD stage 2+ tune, downpipe, intake. I want to do a blow off, so we'll see how that goes. Do some exhaust work, lower it, wheels, tint, and then all the add-ons, you know, like front lip, wrap, the mirrors, side skirt extensions. So we'll see how that goes on everything, but I did want to show you guys this. I already picked this up. So this is for future videos to come. Once I purchase the tune and I do my resonator delete, I'm probably gonna keep the stock muffler, but so just know I have this already. B58 downpipe, catless. My neighbor's dog is extremely annoying and always bitching, so I had to come sit inside the 540. You know, I don't know what I want to call it. Do I want to put a badge on the back and say, you know, freaking B58 or M540i? I'm not sure. Should I debadge it? I got lots of ideas of what I want to do, so I just need you guys to drop some stuff in the comments of what you think I should do. And I just, you know, I'm really looking forward to building this BMW community platform as well. Also, for everybody that's here for AMG content, please don't leave thinking that there's never going to not be another AMG on this channel. Just know that I personally love the M113K, and so that would be something that I'm going to be considering. And it's definitely not going to be an E-Class. I sold my last one. I didn't like the CL. I will be considering the SL or obviously a CLS again, which is my favorite AMG of all time. The one that got away. But yeah, that's just that news. I am going to go in another video and I will be discussing the reasons of why I did sell the CLS. That's in the video here to come. And just, this is basically what's going on now is I have to become a dad, and this is my dad car I chose. And I had to get something that was affordable in a certain price range. So this is what I thought the best bang for my buck was, you know, reliability, but moddable, but comfortability. And there's a lot of space in here. I mean, there really is a lot of space, you know, and I love the interior color, you know. I love colored interior basically, and this is like the man's color, like a brown leather. The car is not black. Well, it's black, but it's like a graphite. It has like a lot of flake in it, but I am going to be wrapping it, and I have not decided what color. I really want to do like a sandstorm, you know, like either like a gloss or a flat light tan. I think that would go crazy with the interior with black accents. Also, white was, something I was considering. I don't think I want to do something super bright and crazy like I did on the AMG, but at the same time, I'm really open to options, and I'm going to try to see if I can get any type of a sponsor with this build and this build platform. I've also been watching some people on YouTube, and I have some extremely exciting interior mods that I want to do. Also, it's like people say, you're trying to get cars and content that people can actually afford, and this is definitely obtainable for almost anybody. Can come get this car, and there's so much that can be done, and they're so beautiful, and there's a lot. I'm just really pumped about it. That's all I gotta say. And having my 5 Series next to B's 5 Series is really dope. Stay tuned for hers. I'm going to be replacing the turbo. Her turbo has been rattling galore since the day we bought it. I got, a friend of mine gave me a turbo. I need to do a rebuild kit on it and install. I've never done that before. So that's going to be an upcoming video. Plus, we're going to be rewrapping her car. And I'm just going to be doing some more tasteful mods to her car. She wants to do interior upgrades, infotainment center, and then obviously wheel suspension. So stay tuned for that. Right now we are Team Beamer for the moment, and just stay tuned, you guys. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing. I'm going to be trying to be posting a hell of a lot more, and for the people that have been subscribed to me from day one, I appreciate you guys. I know I took a long break, but I'm back. I'm sorry for the ones that are upset about the AMG. It was a fun car. I loved it a lot, but it was time to let her go, and that's the truth. Don't be scared to buy one. Just know that you need to have some pockets to keep it maintained. That's all I got to say. And financially, in the situation that I was in, plus the family, it was really the time to let her go. And that's the truth behind that. So I don't need to sit there and act like I'm a baller. I'm just a normal guy working 9 to 5 with a family. It ain't cheap here in California, I'll tell you that much. It's not cheap. So anyways, I just want to say thank you guys. This is my new car. I'll put some more B-roll going right now. Basically the same thing you guys have already seen of the car. And let me know if you guys like the CapCut. I've been watching more videos. I'm trying to sit there and play with it more, trying to make it look better so I don't have to use the GoPro. This is all recorded on my iPhone 14. Let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned on Instagram. I'll be updating everybody, and I'll be dropping this video today. So I did this video this morning. By tonight, this video will be uploaded, and I'm going to, don't quote me on it because I gotta sit there and get money situated, and I don't want to give you guys boring stuff, but I'm gonna be trying to get out there and do more videos for you guys. I want to go to more out of town meets, and I want to get this car where it needs to be, get B's car where it needs to be, and yeah, I got just juggling it with work, and I'm hitting the gym. I don't know if you guys know, I ain't trying to be Mr. Fat Boy anymore, so I got to get in shape. But yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe, and please drop a comment. I got to know your guys' opinions, because I know how excited I am. But are you guys excited? Are you mad? Like, let me know. Let me hear it. Let's have a conversation. You can hit me up on Instagram at I think it's at @lifeofFrankie_. I'll put it in the description, and we can have some conversations. We can debate, and we can go from there. So let's go. But I'm out of here.